Hello students, welcome to Science Learning Gateway. I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to discuss one of the important news issued by the CBSE board, and this is important for both 10th students also and 12th students also for the CBSE board. This is a very important news for 10th as well as 12th CBSE student. So CBSE has issued the sample papers for all the subjects for class 10th and 12th, so that you can know about the patterns of the question paper which will be coming for your 2020 to 21 boards. If you know the pattern, it will be easy for you also to prepare for your exams. How many marks 1 mark questions will come, how many questions will come for 2 marks, how many questions will come for 3 marks, and how many questions will come for 5 marks. That you'll know through that pattern only. And marking scheme is also given over there. You can check that also. Through that you can know that if 5 marks question is there, and if 2 or 3 questions are attached in that which type of marking scheme will be followed for your, suppose if 5 marks question is there and only you have attended one part, half of the portion of that question, then you will get half marks. So that marking scheme also you can check for that. For that math sample paper, that marking scheme will be helpful for you, because in maths you have steps. For the steps also you will get the marks. Okay, so don't leave the questions, try your best for doing that. So now we'll look at the links given by the CBSE board for the sample papers of 10th and 12th. Okay, see, this was the information issued by the CBSE board, Central Board of Secondary Education, for 10th and 12th standard sample paper classes for classes 10th and 12th 2020 to 21. As you know that now the syllabus is reduced, right? 30% of your syllabus is reduced. So because of that, some changes are also made in the question papers. So you can go through the sample paper issued by the CBSE board through the link given over there. This is the link for the 10th student. You can click on the link given over there to go to that sample paper, and if you are in 12th standard, then you can click on this link to go to that sample paper for class 12th. Okay, so now if you look over there, if you'll click on this link for class 10th, you'll get a page like this. Okay, in this all the subject sample papers are given along with the marking scheme. You can see the science is there, then Hindi is there, home science, computer, mathematics, social science, all the subject, additional subjects are also given. So you can click on the sample paper and you can look at the pattern of the exam given over there, and as well as marking scheme is also given. So you can check your subject wise sample papers. If you click on the link given below over there, it will come like that. This is for your 80 marks theory paper for science. Okay, in this 1 marks questions are there. See, so many 1 marks questions are there. I think approx 21 questions are from 1 marks. So these are the questions like that. If you want, I will make a video on the sample papers also. So for that you have to comment in the comment section. I will make it for you. And see, section 1, 20 questions are for 1 marks. Section B, we have 2 marks questions. And in section C, we will have 3 marks question, and the last section, that is in section D, we will have 5 marks questions. Okay, so you can check the sample papers for all the subject in the link given below there. Okay, so go through the links for 10th if you are in 10th, and if you are in 12th, then you can click on the link. Before writing the exam, you should know the sample papers pattern, that which type of question will come for your board exam, so that it will be easy for you also. Okay. Thank you for watching my channel Science Learning Gateway. If it is helpful for you, then please like it and share it with your friends also. And if you need the video for sample paper, please comment in the comment section. I will make it for you. And for 10th student, I request you to please read your NCERT textbook, solve the previous year question papers. From that, many important questions are there which will be coming in your board exams this year also. Important questions are there. Read the question answers given in your NCERT textbook. NCERT textbook is must. NCERT is like a Bible for you. If you learn it, if you read it line by line, if any question will come from that, you can write the answers. Even the videos which I have uploaded for class 10th, the notes which I have uploaded in my channel, which I have made the PPT for teaching you in class 10, all the notes I have covered from your NCERT textbook. So it will be helpful for you if you learn those notes also, all the formulas, even the definitions, everything is given over there. You can go through that. And if you want the question answers of others, of all the chapters for class 10, that also I will upload you for that. Thank you for watching my channel, and if you want to connect with me through my Facebook page, the link I will provide in the description box, and both the links which will direct you to the sample paper page for 10th and 12th, I will provide that also in the description box. You can click on the link and you can go to that page. Thank you for watching.